Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace RAM 1500 mirror glass. First, gather your essential tools: a plastic pry tool, your new mirror glass, and a soft cloth. Make sure your truck is turned off and the mirror surface is cool to the touch. It's also a good idea to place a protective cloth or some painter's tape around the mirror housing to prevent any accidental scratches to your vehicle's paint. Now, let's remove the damaged glass. Using your plastic pry tool, gently work your way around the edge of the mirror, carefully prying the old glass away from its backing plate. Once it's loose, you'll likely find a few electrical wires connected for features like heating. Disconnect these carefully. Finally, ensure all broken glass pieces are completely removed from the mirror housing before proceeding. With the old glass removed, it's time to install the new one. First, reconnect any electrical wires to the corresponding terminals on the back of your new mirror glass. Then, carefully align the new glass with the mounting clips or tabs inside the mirror housing. Apply firm, even pressure to the center of the glass until you hear it click securely into its proper position. After installation, perform a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and check that the mirror adjusts correctly using the interior controls. If your mirror has a heating element, test that function as well. Finally, give your new mirror glass a good cleaning with a streak-free glass cleaner. Double-check that it's securely mounted and doesn't wobble, ensuring a clear and safe view for your drives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.